Hi, and welcome to my first YouTube video, my first tutorial. I'm sorry if I say a lot or if I really screw up. So I am working on my porch. I've been sitting behind the computer for 2 full days doing marketing and really soul-sucking stuff. So I said, the heck with it, I'm going into the workshop and I'm gonna work on a project. So today I'm starting my urns for my front porch. I wanted to have some urns in the front of my door that I can use for every season. So for Christmas, I'll probably wrap some lights around it, maybe stick a buffalo check ribbon around the base of it, or so I wanted to spend a little bit of money. I bought these boxwood moss balls on Amazon. I think they were like 50 or 60 a piece, which I was willing to spend because I knew I'd be using them for the entire year. And I did end up getting them for a cheaper price because of my Amazon points. I spend so much money on Amazon's that I accumulate points. So the very first thing I'm gonna do, first of all, let me show you what I'm gonna do with the urn. So I started shopping for an estate size box that could fit the boxwood, but they're really pricey. So I thought I would use these urns that I already own. They've been painted many different colors as my style and has changed. They were originally black. I wanted to give it like a stone type of weathered look, like it would be in the front of a French villa. So that's the look I'm going for. So the very first thing I want to do is paint it with a base color called Sandy Blonde. And the color is kind of a light tannish with a little hint of yellow, but it's a great base coat for a stone look. It's made by DIY Clay Paint. I'm also a retailer for this paint line. And what's great about it is it's made out of clay and I don't have to prep this piece at all. I can just go right in and start painting. I do have to clean it though, of course. So I cleaned it with just your basic, just a little bit of water on a rag. I wiped off the cobwebs and all the things that have been collecting on it. And I can dive right in and start painting. And I wanted to do a live video today on my Facebook page, but I have really bad reception for live videos in my workshop, which kind of is bad news. So I may have to bring some projects inside to do lives. So I'm gonna turn the camera off now, but basically I'm gonna cover this entire urn in Sandy Blonde, and then when it's dry, I will come back and show you the next technique. Okay, so I'm all finished doing the transfer. And as you can see, it's not perfect. It's missing a few letters, but like I said, I'm okay with that. I'm now going to use the Big Top, which is a top coat that I carry in my line of paint that I carry, the DIY Clay Paint by Debbie's Design Diary. And if you're not following her on YouTube, I'd highly suggest it. She's very entertaining. On furniture, I like to use wax, but on an urn that's going to be in a covered porch, I really prefer to do like a top coat. And also some of the paint's getting pulled off, but I think that's pretty cool. I like that because I had painted it copper before, so now the copper is starting to shine through. So there it is, all finished. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to, next I'll be showing it on the porch and what it looks like when the porch is all decorated.